Hello, tiny kids and parents. Welcome back to our channel. Please subscribe the channel for more interesting and upcoming series.
T is an English alphabet. It has two forms, capital T and small t. T for tiger. The tiger is one of the most powerful and beautiful wild animals in the world. It belongs to the cat family and it is the largest of all big cats. Tigers are mainly found in Asia. Tigers are carnivores, which means they eat meat. A tiger's roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Tigers are great swimmers and they enjoy water. Baby tigers are called cubs. T for turtle. Turtles are amazing reptiles known for their hard shells and calm, slow lifestyle. They have been on Earth for over 200 million years, even before dinosaurs. There are different kinds of turtles. Turtles have a hard shell made of bone and keratin. They can pull their head and legs inside the shell for protection. Some turtles can live very long lives, even over 100 years. Turtles don't have teeth and they can hold their breath for hours underwater.